To create a form using the Measure First tool, first select the black Forms button at the top of the screen. You will be prompted to log in or to create a free account. Next, select the black New Form icon. From here, you will be able to create your own customizable Fidelity monitoring form. To edit the title of the form, hover over the title text box, then click Edit. Follow the same steps to edit the title of each form section. To add a new section to your form, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Add Section. The Measure First tool allows you to add a wide variety of question types. To add a question, first use the Question Type drop-down menu to select the type of question you would like to add. Then click Add Question. Once you have added a question, you can edit the question text by hovering over the item and selecting Edit. Different types of questions generate different methods of answer submission. Some question types have customizable answer options. Dichotomous questions allow users to select yes or no. Count questions allow the user to track each time a behavior occurs. The user selects the plus icon each time a behavior occurs. Duration questions allow the user to time the length of an observed behavior. The user clicks the play icon when the behavior begins and the pause icon when the behavior ends. Use the stop icon to reset the timer. Rate questions allow the user to track the number of times a behavior occurs per minute. The user selects the play icon to begin the timer and clicks the plus icon each time a behavior occurs. Use the circular arrow icon to reset both fields. Scale questions allow the user to pick from a range of predetermined values by sliding the black circle to the desired degree. When creating a scale question, users can customize the scale's minimum and maximum values, step size, and default value. Checklist and multiple choice questions can also be customized. The number of choices cannot be changed. When completing a checklist question, the user may select any of the options that apply. When completing a multiple choice question, the user may only select one option. Notes questions allow users to enter free-form text. Forms save automatically. To view completed forms, select the black Forms box at the top of the menu. To view existing forms, select the black Forms box at the top of the menu. Use the drop-down menu to sort between IRRC forms, individual forms, and organization forms. Individual forms are those created by the user. Organization forms are those created by the user or another member of the user's school organization. You can copy an existing form to your account or your organization's account by clicking the copy icon and then selecting the desired location, copy to account or copy to organization. The Fill Out button allows users to fill out a form. When you have finished with the form, select Submit Response. Your response data will be saved to the Measure First platform. If you are part of an organization account, your response data will be viewable by you and the admin of your organization account. To view form responses, select the Responses tab at the top of the page. Find the correct title and date for the form you want. Select the download icon to download response data. The response data will be downloaded as a CSV file. This file can be opened using applications such as Microsoft Excel, Numbers, or Google Sheets. You can also send form responses to others outside of the organization by clicking the Send button and then clicking Copy Link to obtain a shareable link to view the completed form. Organization accounts allow users to share Fidelity forms and responses with others in their school or organization. These accounts have 3 types of roles. Members, who can share forms with others in their organization. Administrators, who have the same abilities as members and can also see form responses from all users in the organization. Owners, who have all the abilities of members and administrators and can also add members, remove members, and change member roles. To add a new member to an organization, the organization owner must click on Organization from the top menu. Next, they will enter the email address of the user they want to add and click Add User. The new user will receive an email invite from noreply@irrc-tools.org. They will follow the instructions in the email to set up their account.